Hey everybody, it's me, the Stack Daddy Brian Stacker, and this is Stackocity coming at you live with a tech tip. Wow, I'm a genius now, apparently. For the Galaxy S6 and the Galaxy S6 Edge. I have the Edge currently, and I've been using my phone it's been about 2 months, but I today have used my phone for about 5 minutes. I put it down, just go to get some Wendy's or something, use your imagination, and the screen won't turn on, no matter what I press. See, now I fixed it, but the screen would not turn on no matter what buttons I pressed. It was not working, and I was 100% battery life. I know it's not dead. So what's the problem? I didn't hack this phone. There's no hacks or anything. It just decided to stop working. The one way to fix this, the one way, if the screen won't turn on and you know it's not a dead battery, the down volume button and the power button should hard reset the phone. I hope this helps some people out. If you did, give it a like, subscribe for more content, and comment what you thought about my beautiful voice. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Stackocity coming at you live. I'm the Stack Daddy Brian Stacker, and as always, I love you guys.